Once, during a royal era, a king passed by a village and was disturbed by the loud barking of dogs. Curious, he asked his minister about the noise. The wise minister explained that the dogs were not merely barking but crying out in hunger. The generous king, saddened by the thought of hungry animals in his kingdom, ordered the villagers to bring their dogs to the royal court the next day for a proper feast. The following day, a grand feast was prepared, and the villagers brought their dogs to the court. However, instead of eating peacefully, the dogs began fighting over the food, turning the royal dining area into chaos. Confused, the king asked his minister why the dogs were fighting despite the abundance of food. The minister replied, "Your Majesty, it is in their nature to behave this way." The story highlights how deeply ingrained negative traits like selfishness and greed can dominate one's nature, much like the dog's instinct to fight even when all needs are met.